Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Let me introduce myself. My name is Fefe Febrianti from English Literature. So today I would like to present about language comprehension. Let me start with the first slide. Memory plays an integral part in listening from the moment the first sound you hear to your collection. Years later of what was said. It is the place where the information is stored, as the information and plain action are placed. Also, the archive for the fact and general knowledge. Memory for prose. Memory for prose is a complicated product of how the process is studied, how its content is represented in memory, and how retained information is used in reconstructing the original prose. Remembering prose. Remembering is a constructive process. To recall a sentence, people retrieve bits and pieces of what is restored in memory and to reconstruct what they believe an original sentence. To do this, they fill in missing detail based on their knowledge of situation, beliefs, and customs. Some of the important factors involved in memory of prose. First, the kind of studying activity in which the learner engages while processing a text. Second, the particular type of prose that is being remembered. Third, the kind of information and event that intervene between the initial reading of the text and when remembering attempted. And the last, the way in which memory is assessed, like through recall, multiple choice, and etc. The kind of studying activity in which the student engage while processing the text. Memory of prose depends on reading activities that engage attention toward understanding the individual ideas in the text and how these ideas are organized or interrelated. Normally, people usually doing studies using doing studies activity by listening to it for its meaning and ignoring each word content. Then try to identify reference, draw inference, get direct meaning, and try to illustrate the situation being described. However, later, when they try to recall its verbatim content. Later, when they try to recall it, they will forget its verbatim contents. In the other hand, it will different if they using the interesting material. The particular type of prose that is being remembered. Generally, narrative prose like a story being remembered than expository prose like an essay or article. The superior memorability of narrative relative to exposition is probably due to large part to readers' better ability to recognize and interrelate the ideas expressed in narrative. The factors which plays a role in accounting memory differences between narratives and expository texts also in prose memory. The first is schemata, singular schemata. The schema is to influence the degree to which incoming text information is organized. It is believed to be better organized and elaborated, and thus better remembered than text content for which readers have a poorly articulated or sketchy schema. The second is causal relation. It captures relation between events described in the text that involve motivation, psychological causation, and physical causation. The example of psychological causation is greed causes certain behavior, and the physical causation is rain causes things to become slippery. The third is knowledge about the structure of conventional text form. This knowledge presumably allows the reader to better organize the information found in the passage. That's all from me. I'm so sorry for the mistake. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.